Matching shrink tubing or insulators on capacitor leads prevent accidental arcing and protect technician safety. Capacitors store high voltage long after power is removed, so always replace damaged insulation with heat shrink tubing sized to snugly cover the lead and the terminal area. Slide the tube over the lead, apply heat evenly until it contracts and seals, and allow it to cool before testing. Choose tubing with a voltage rating equal to or greater than the original insulation and with flame retardant properties for added safety. When leads differ in diameter, use manufacturer-approved reducers or step tubing to avoid gaps that can concentrate electric fields and cause corona discharge. Keep leads short and routed away from sharp edges or metallic surfaces to minimize mechanical abrasion and movement that can wear insulation over time. Use a simple continuity and insulation resistance test to confirm the repair. Check for unintended continuity to chassis and measure insulation resistance to ensure it meets the equipment specification. Always discharge the capacitor with a proper resistor-based tool and verify with a meter before touching terminals, and wear insulated gloves and eye protection while working. Common mistakes include using undersized or non-rated tubing that shrinks but leaves a weak dielectric barrier, which you can prevent by checking voltage and temperature ratings before installing and by choosing a slightly thicker wall tubing. Another issue is failing to remove oil, moisture, or corrosion from leads before applying heat shrink, which can trap contaminants and reduce adhesion. Clean and dry the area thoroughly and, if needed, use an appropriate solvent and a light abrasion to restore a solid surface. A third problem is relying on tape alone or skipping mechanical strain relief, which lets movement open cracks in the insulation. Pair heat shrink with a simple support loop or adhesive-lined tubing to provide strain relief and secure the lead to a fixed point. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project planning resources that relate directly to electrical protection and safe capacitor servicing. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange practical tips, and we help contractors find work by showcasing completed projects and service listings.